So this is one of my many spare unused offices that I have in my building. And I finally think I have a use for this room. I'm trying not to expand into all the offices, but yeah, it's just kind of slowly happening. Um, I think my plans for this office is going to be like a electronics repair space. I have a few different projects in the works right now, like the Pioneer reel-to-reel player I need to fix. And I have some motherboards that I need to replace capacitors and stuff on. And I think this will be the perfect space. Already has nice workbenches. I have power all over the walls. I kind of wish some of my shelves were a little deeper that this came with. This is maybe about a foot deep. Be kind of cool if I had some stuff to put my benchtop electronics test equipment on, but I'm not sure what I'll do with that quite yet. But yeah, lots of space for storage. If I can find some really nice filing cabinets, I might put them under this center table. This room's wired with a ton of networking and power, so I can basically do whatever I want. A few mysteries in here still. I think these wires are where the control was for the little in-building PA system. And then I have just this empty box here, which presumably goes up to some conduit in the ceiling. I probably won't do anything with that other than put a blank plate over it just to make it look nice. But yeah, it'll require some cleaning and some supplies. This is a door to nowhere. If I was motivated, it'd be kind of cool to frame this up and cut out an opening, because that kind of goes into my what's currently my main office space. But for now, I'm probably just gonna leave that there. I think I'm gonna get one of those like rolling bread storage racks with trays, and I'm gonna put that right here to store stuff that's like in progress. I got some filing cabinets I need to put in here as well for like part storage, but I haven't quite figured that out yet because they're standard sized ones. The door that goes into this office opens out, so I could put some right here, put like two of them there, but it's something I'm going to have to kind of think about and work on. I'm kind of looking forward to it because it'll give me the ability to have projects sitting out that I'm not ready to complete. Especially with the capacitor replacement projects, because I don't know where I'll do the soldering yet. What I might do is might do it over towards this side, and then just that little nook corner thing is kind of useless, so maybe I'll have my crude little exhaust fan set up there. Yeah, gotta do some cleaning, some rearranging, probably disappear that shelf, throw it somewhere else in the building. And I'd like to see something better than this. I'm not sure if they screwed it down or not. Nope, that's all just loose. So, what'd be really slick is if I could find a filing cabinet or two to put on this edge. I'd probably put them so the drawers are facing towards the walkway, which is dumb, but most 2-drawer filing cabinets are too deep to put them back to back. It'd be nice to have them going out to the side, but if I put 2 filing cabinets back to back, I'm guessing the fronts would be hanging out like this far. But yeah, and then something to go under here. It would be really nice if I had something on wheels that I could roll out, but that'll be for another day to figure out. So if you have any tips or suggestions on what I should do to my electronics repair room, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.